So today we'll be unboxing and testing this wireless controller from Clevo. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unbox, news, reviews and more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, obliterate, destroy the like button, and let's jump into this unboxing and testing, and I will also be testing it on PS5. Jumping into this unbox. So we don't have any cutter involved in this unbox, that's how it came from Amazon. So let's unbox it. Oh, it's just there. Nothing, no foil, no nothing. So we have this wireless adapter. It says you can connect it to the PS3, PC and also the Xbox One. I'm also really curious if it works on the PS5. I don't have a PS3, but I have a PS5 and I can check it on that. Let's also take the controller out. So the controller, it's a bit skinny, I would say, and I'm not sure how comfortable this is. It feels fine, I think. The joysticks are okay. Some grip here. The buttons, they're okay, I think. Yeah, but it does feel a bit cheap. And it is a bit cheap, I mean. It's about 20 something pounds. At the time of this recording, we'll see if it does the job that it's supposed to do. If it plays okay, it should be fine. So it looks like it has a microphone here, maybe. Stop it, man. So I see this light doesn't want to go out for some reason. So test it on the PS5 and also on the PC, because this is for my father. He likes to play some old games that you can emulate on the PC. So we'll try some of those games, and we'll also try to see if it works with the PS5. If we can play a game with this. Let's go. Wait, but before we do that, let's see what else we have in the box. Just a cable, unfortunately not USB Type-C, and the wireless controller user guide, and that's all. Pretty basic, this packaging, so we'll have to get rid of this. Let's go and test this. So first we'll be testing this on the PC with the old games, the emulator. So this is one of my old laptops. It's not the one I use daily, but this is the only Windows I have. So this is called GNES. It's an old game emulator. You also have to download the games, which are of course very small. Yes, so if you go here, there's Battle City, Circus, Contra, Galaxian, Super Mario, Track and Field. These are some of the games I used to play when I was a kid on a very old console, of course, but you can very easily play it on an old laptop like this one. So going to File and open Battle City. This is one of my father's favorite game, and we'll be testing this controller because this controller is for him. He's gonna play this Battle City. I'm gonna plug this wireless controller in and see what's gonna happen. Anything? Seems like nothing is happening. Should this be working or not? Let's try another side. Oh yes, now it's on. See a red, device software not successfully installed. Why? I really don't like when this happens, because you have to look for the drivers everywhere and sometimes you can't find them. And also this is Windows 7. My father will probably be playing on Windows 10, but it should be working on Windows 7 as well. Okay, let's press the button anyway. See if it connects or something. No connection. It looks like it doesn't want to connect. Let's take this thing out and let's plug the cable in. Now we are plugging the cable in, I think this way. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. So far nothing. Maybe it's charging or something. Not sure if it's something wrong with this USB on the laptop. Let's try the other one. It doesn't seem to connect for some reason. It doesn't want to connect to this Windows 7 computer. Let's see, maybe we can find it here. Input, nothing. So this controller might be useless for my father, or maybe it's just the laptop. You're not 100% sure. Let's try plugging in both. Oh look, what did we see now? The controller, the driver, can't find the driver. So I tried installing a driver for Xbox One controller, and let's see if that helps. Still searching for a Windows update. Wow, Xbox gaming device. Okay, let's see those two, what's going on there. So it seems like it found two drivers or something, and it actually looks like it's connected. So let's check it again here. Close this, options, input, controller. Okay, does it work? Does it actually work? Let's see, set up, left, right, up, down, select, start, B. So it looks like it's working. So you actually need to install the driver for the Xbox controller on Windows 7 because it apparently doesn't have it, or some Windows 7 might not have it. So you have to install the driver and then you can actually use it wireless as well. So let's see, start, does it work? No? Get out of this and go back in. Okay, and then let's open the games, Battle City. Now. Oh, it's working. It's actually working. I'm playing the game. Yeah, this is an old favorite of mine and my father's. Okay, so if you want to use it on the computer, you will definitely have to install the Xbox driver, and after that it will have to install itself some other drivers, and then you're good to go. You can play old games, but just like this one. Let's kill the house. Yeah, so it's working wirelessly. We finally got it to work. Let's try another game. How about this one, Contra? If you remember this game, start. I'm not sure if you know this game. You should, if you played. Oh, there's two buttons that you press. Oh, like that. Alt and enter, and you make it full screen. I am dead. Game over. So let's go and test it on the PS5 as well. It's working on the Windows wirelessly. On Windows 7, it should work on Windows 10 as well. If not, we should install the drivers as well. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the PS5 on now. I'm gonna connect with this controller first, and now I'm gonna connect the wireless adapter on the PS5. I press the button and it looks like it's connected. So let's see. Yes, no, nothing. I'm pressing the buttons but it's not working. I'm going to try and disconnect the PS5 controller. Turn off. Okay. Looks like it's not working. I press this button, it's gonna turn one light on and off, and that's everything. On the PS5 it's not working, but at least it's working on the PC and probably on the PS3. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to check this Clevo controller out, and I'll see you on the next one.